Everybody forgets things from time to time, whether it's a name, a number, or just where you left your keys. And many people struggle with staying focused and maintaining concentration throughout the day. But the good news is, there are plenty of incredible ways you can improve your memory and enhance your ability to concentrate. In this video, we'll discuss some awesome ways to improve your memory and concentration. Stick around till the end because you might be surprised by some of the tips we are about to share. Number 1. Limit sugar intake. Reducing your consumption of added sugar can have numerous benefits for your health. A high intake of added sugar has been associated with various health issues and chronic diseases, including cognitive decline. Scientific research has revealed that a diet rich in sugar can negatively impact memory and cause a decrease in brain volume, particularly in the region responsible for storing short-term memories. For example, a study involving over 4,000 participants discovered a correlation between higher consumption of sugar beverages such as soda and lower total brain volumes and poorer memory function compared to those who consumed less sugar. Number 2. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is vital to maintaining optimal health, especially with regard to memory. Sleep plays a vital role in the process of memory consolidation, wherein short-term memories are converted into long-term ones and strengthened. Scientific research has shown that sleep deprivation can negatively impact your ability to remember things. For instance, a study conducted on approximately 40 children between the ages of 10 to 14 years analyzed the impact of sleep on memory tests. One group of children was trained for memory tests in the evening, and after a night's sleep, they were tested the following morning. The other group underwent training and testing on the same day, with no sleep gap between the two activities. The results showed that the group that slept overnight between their training and testing sessions performed 20% better in memory tests. Another study conducted on nurses who worked the night shift revealed that they exhibited higher levels of mathematical errors and scored lower on memory tests, 68%, as compared to nurses working the day shift. According to health experts, adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to maintain optimal health. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not just good for your body, but also for your mind. It has been proven that exercising regularly can have a positive impact on your brain, including memory improvement. This is true for people of all ages, from children to older adults. One study looked at 144 individuals aged 19 to 93. They found that even a short session of moderate exercise, like riding a stationary bike for just 15 minutes, led to better cognitive performance and memory, regardless of age. Numerous studies have shown that exercise can increase the production of proteins that protect the brain and help in the growth and development of neurons. This ultimately leads to better brain health. Additionally, exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and vital nutrients necessary for optimal cognitive function. It also stimulates the production of endorphins, which can enhance mood and reduce stress, contributing to better concentration and memory retention. Find physical activities that you enjoy, whether it's jogging, dancing, swimming, or practicing yoga, and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Before we proceed to the next surprising way to improve your memory and concentration, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Try meditation. Taking some time for meditation has many positive effects on your health. It helps you relax, reduces stress and pain, lowers blood pressure, and can even improve your memory. Interestingly, meditation has been found to increase the amount of gray matter in the brain, which contains the cell bodies of neurons. As you get older, the amount of gray matter naturally decreases, which can affect your memory and thinking abilities. Studies have shown that meditation and relaxation techniques can improve short-term memory in people of all ages. For example, college students who regularly meditated had better spatial working memory than those who didn't meditate. Number 5. Eat a brain-boosting diet. Your brain requires proper nourishment to function optimally. Incorporating a brain-boosting diet can support memory and concentration. Include foods rich in antioxidants such as blueberries, spinach, and dark chocolate, as they help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, avocados, and nuts can enhance cognitive function and support the growth of brain cells. Additionally, ensure an adequate intake of vitamins and minerals by consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and saturated fats, as they can lead to inflammation and adversely affect brain health. Number 6. Keep stress in check. Chronic stress can have a detrimental impact on memory and concentration. Elevated stress hormones, such as cortisol, can interfere with the formation and retrieval of memories. Implement stress management techniques to reduce its negative effects on cognitive function. Regular exercise, deep breathing exercises, meditation, and spending time in nature can help alleviate stress and promote a sense of calm. Prioritize self-care activities that you enjoy, such as reading, listening to music, or engaging in hobbies, as they can provide relaxation and reduce stress levels. Building a support system of friends and family and seeking professional help if needed can also be beneficial in managing stress effectively. Number 7. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining cognitive function and mental clarity. When your body is dehydrated, your brain cells can shrink, leading to reduced cognitive abilities, including memory and concentration. The brain is made up of about 75% water, so it needs to stay hydrated to function optimally. So, how much water should you drink each day? The amount varies depending on factors like your age, weight, and activity level. But generally, it's recommended to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day, which is around 2 liters or half a gallon. Additionally, consuming hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and celery can contribute to your overall hydration levels. It's important to avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can contribute to dehydration. Caffeine is a diuretic, which means it increases urine production and can lead to dehydration, while alcohol can significantly dehydrate the body. To stay hydrated, set reminders to drink water throughout the day and carry a reusable water bottle with you so you always have water on hand. You can also track your water intake using a smartphone app or journal to ensure you're meeting your daily hydration needs. Number 8. Stay organized. Being organized is crucial for reducing cognitive load and distractions, allowing for better memory and concentration. Develop a system for organizing your tasks, whether it's using a planner, digital tools, or to-do list. Prioritize tasks based on importance and deadlines, breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps. Create a dedicated workspace that is free from clutter and distractions, ensuring that materials you need are easily accessible. Establish routines and set reminders to help stay on track and maintain focus throughout the day. Number 9. Keep your brain active. Engaging in activities that challenge your brain can help improve memory and concentration. Reading books, solving puzzles, and crosswords stimulate neural connections and enhance cognitive flexibility. Learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or engaging in hobbies that require focus and problem solving can help exercise different brain regions and promote neuroplasticity. Consider joining classes or online courses to learn new skills and broaden your intellectual horizons. Number 10. Take breaks. Sustained concentration for long periods can lead to mental fatigue and diminish cognitive performance. Taking regular breaks helps refresh your mind, allowing you to return to tasks with renewed focus and productivity. Experiment with different break durations and activities that relax and rejuvenate you. Activities such as stretching, deep breathing exercises, or even listening to music can effectively recharge your brain. Additionally, incorporating brief moments of physical activity, like walking or stretching, during breaks can enhance blood flow to the brain and boost cognitive function. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.